In this video, I'll show you how to make money online by simply reading scripts, which is one of the most basic methods available, and we're about to figure out how to make it happen. In this manner, I'll teach you how to earn anywhere from $150 to over $5,000 by reading scripts online. You might be asking yourself why you should watch this video right now. The strategy I'm going to teach you today is entirely free and available all across the world. As a result, you can accomplish it anywhere on the globe. Second, after seeing this video, you may immediately begin earning money because I will show you how to accomplish it step by step. You're lucky to have seen this video because you didn't lose out on a fantastic opportunity. Also, at the end of this video, I have a surprise bonus for you, so make sure you stay and watch until the very end. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. I'd like you to take a look at this before I teach you the instructions. This is your prospective earnings on this website, and I'm thrilled to share it with you because it pays well for every script reading. As you can see, for as little as 0 to 2 minutes of work, you can earn up to $249. For just 30 to 45 minutes of effort, you can earn over $1,249. So stay connected and watch till the finish because I'll show you how it works in detail. Make sure you don't skip any parts of this video to avoid missing out on important information. Before we continue, I want you to pay close attention and listen carefully since many people fail to generate money because they do things incorrectly. So, first and foremost, please go to voices.com. As you can see, the voices on this website are hired by some of the world's most trusted corporations like Shopify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, Hulu, and many more. As a result, this website is completely legitimate. This website rewards people on a daily basis, therefore you can expect to get paid via PayPal check or bank transfer. There are a variety of other payment choices accessible, so you won't have to be concerned. Basically, there will be a lot of different categories and projects to choose from on this website. I'll also inform you which category to pick at any given time to get the most money, and you'll be able to choose from a range of different projects. They'll provide you with a script or template containing all of the text you'll read once you've picked a project. All you have to do now is record your voice and they will compensate you based on the length of the job. It takes less than 2 minutes to complete. Depending on the project, 15 minutes or even more than 50 minutes may be expected. This website appeals to me because it presents us with limitless possibilities. There are several categories to pick from, and fresh job postings are updated daily. As a result, if a project takes 5 minutes of voiceover work, you won't have to worry about anything. You'll be earning money over and over again if you put in less than 10 minutes per day. So, if you have nothing to do at home or a lot of spare time, whether it's a brief voiceover or an hour-long voiceover, the earning potential is limitless. What happens if I don't have access to a microphone? You should believe that to perform this properly, you don't need a professional condenser microphone. So, what am I supposed to do? You can use the microphone on your phone or earbuds with the microphone to accomplish this on your Android or iOS device. The best part is, you don't even have to reveal your identity or show your face. They only need your voice for their projects. You don't have to write anything as well. All you need to do is speak and read the script provided to you. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. To begin, sign up for a free account with voices.com. Hover your mouse over the sign up button in the upper right corner and click it to do so. This will redirect you to a website where you will be asked what you hope to accomplish. You have two options here: hire talent for your projects or look for work as a talent. You must, of course, opt to work as a talent, so click on it. You'll be directed to this page where you must provide your full name and email address, as well as create a password. Then, after agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy, click Continue. However, if you want a quick way to sign up, you may simply sign in via Google. This is how your dashboard will look when you create a free account. Advertising, animation, broadcasting, consumer technology, and video production are just a few of the areas you can pick from. So I'll show you which category will provide you with a reasonable income, certain jobs suitable for beginners, and so on. This works in most nations including India, the Philippines, the United States of America, Indonesia, Nigeria, Malaysia, and the United Kingdom, among many others. Education, advertising, and most importantly, gaming are the sectors that will pay you the most money right now. These are the top 3 categories with the most jobs and at the same time, the highest income for the least amount of time and effort. If you choose education, for example, you'll find that Voices.com employs a number of different voice actors. Male and female voice performers are compensated every time they're hired to do a voiceover. I know those of you still watching this video are from all over the world and speak a multitude of languages. So, as you can see, in the left-hand corner, there is a language option. If you're going to click the drop-down arrow right here, you will see different languages: Indonesian, Arabic, English, Portuguese, Spanish, French, Hindu, Filipino, and a number of other languages are available. So don't be concerned. There are plenty of options here for you to pick from, and you may earn money simply by reading those scripts. Look for jobs that run longer than 50 minutes and pay more than $1,500 if you want to make more money. If you do a project in the future, once you've signed up and set up your account, go to your jobs on the upper right portion and browse for jobs that are hiring right now that pay more than $250. As you can see, there are several jobs and opportunities available. Now, I'll show you a sample script for podcasting, which is one of the site's highest paying categories. So they'll hand you a script like this one, complete with the name of the customer, the age of the voice actors they're seeking, the gender, and the job description. As a result, you'll have all of the information you require. Indeed, if you look down, you can see what industry it belongs to, what kind of language it needs, and how many words it requires. Voices.com offers a mobile app that you can download and install right to your phone, allowing you to do it even if you're just laying down or doing whatever you want. It's available in both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. All you have to do now is read the script that has been provided to you.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.